So I've moved the grass line down a little bit because it had this bottom green thing which really wasn't part of the scene, so now we have the whole scene in there with that pretty character. So next we'll scale down the fox to make it somewhat more reasonable. Now we've just got this one fox in there, which is good. Bring it down, bring it over a bit, and that's good. We'll add some physics to him, because right now if we press play, there's nothing much happening apart from this area on the right greening out, which shows that we're in game mode, and nothing's happening, but we're going to give him some physics so he'll actually fall down to the ground. So next we're going to make sure we've got our fox highlighted, which we have. We'll come over to add component, litter in the way, so we're coming down to 2D physics, and we're going to activate that. So we hit 2D, and we want to find rigid body. So we come down, and there's the rigid body 2D. That means if it collides with something else, it will know that it's a solid object and won't just go whizzing straight through it. So we'll activate that. And now let's see, we'll run the game, see if he has some physics. We have to give him some weight, because now we need to change the weight component, so we'll run it with a mass of 1 and see what happens. And he falls off the edge of the world. So now let's add one of these tree stumps, and this is a behind the scene for a start, and it's massive, so we need to cut that size down. So let's look at that. So we're going to position our tree stump underneath the fox, because we're going to have him drop down, and we need to get that right down on the edge. So it's on the ground, that's a bit below the ground. Run the game and see what happens. And the fox comes down, goes straight through the bottom of it.